Hello, good evening, my viewers and my friends. I greet you all. As you can see, I'm working on one vacuum pump for one vacuum truck tanker. It's not sucking. Okay, this vacuum tanker is not sucking. You see the sweepers I've removed. The structure line is this. You can see. So we use it to evacuate the amount, the waste that the people use. That is urate and water and all those things. We use it to evacuate it. So I'm about to fix the parts now. Then we now test and see again. So that is it. Thank you and subscribe to my YouTube channel.